Yo, Brandon, wagwan. You know some more of me sit down there, well, a decent reasoning though. You know you're probably in your feelings about everything still, and I know you have a right to feel away there still because all heap of unjust and unnecessary things reach you as a youth. And Jano Star, deep within me, know say you no deserve none of that we're going. But I feel like some young have all a decent reason right to know about everything. From before you even get shut up, everything. Just so I lay out everything on the table because Jano Star, this badness thing, yeah. Joke business. Too much youth I lose them 3 pints under my belt. I mean, I feel too good about it. So I just decide, say, yo, me I take a walk, chance it, see if me can see you. So me can go with a decent reason about everything I want. Full time now, you know the full 100 youth. Because you have good youth and I see where you stray down from one different part and the sad thing is in a Brandon. Well, the truth is, really, Brandon, I don't really want to see your life get there because I don't want to see another youth go down. Especially when I know, say, I can probably help him to save him from himself. But right now, as a real gangster, to a little youth when I know, say, a good youth, me I need for all I reasoning. Because I would have loved to see you go back on the straight and narrow. And nobody pick up a dirty life like with me I live right now. Because right now, youths like me in too deep. I can't ever save myself right now, so my time to me look for my life. Because me just build my life and center my life around the dirty badness life. But you're not too far gone, Brandon. And no me can help save you. So do this, not for me, but do it for you and your mother. Say I have a nice little uptown girl to a feature I bring in pan the ends. Man, them attack pan the front more times say your girl look good and thing youth. Nobody dash where your life youth. Nobody be a next little chase. Nobody be a next shot foot. Youth, make a go all a reasoning. What you say?
That your mouth make you say Tuggy. Me not trust a bone in a youth. You kill her from here already, you know. Remember that, you know. I mean, no. This just might they are set up for you kill her from here again. But I feel like, say, you can't catch me 2 times. You know, my granny used to say once bitten, twice shy. So now, but I feel like, say, you can't come clocks me and Google me and get my little 3 pints just like that. And I say it work you. So I don't know where you up to or who will send you. But I not trust you because I know there is no loyalty when it comes on to criminality. So you can't check me out. You can't check me.
No man, Brandon, but then again, you have a right for say you say still. So many able to vex it over it because everything what you say, a real talk, but I know that my depend on an idea, my boss. Big man levels on that my depend. Right now, your friend better than get out of control. And I want out. And anybody at all me can save whilst me I try to take on myself out, right? And that me depend. So my mind just run by you and me just come around and come give you a link and see if me can hold a one reason with you. But right now, better than definitely I get out and better than guts to go.
I see a face in a Tuggy. But guess what? I can't see that. But your previous actions tell me though. You see you have the realest talk, but the dirtiest heart. But know this for sure. Mind games you play. Nobody come to me with a little foolishness like you want to hear what me have to say. So you can run go back to your Dan better than and I say, yo, you know say one Brandon so you have to lose your 3 points. No, you nobody with a little Minecraft and a little prison craft palm youth. I'm way smarter than the average beer. So nobody come to me with none of that. I'm good.
As me I say, me know say I have feelings in a Brandon. I have every right for your feelings too. But me know say you share the same sentiments like me. Me know you want to get rid of better than. And who knows, probably me the pan your hit list too. But I just saw the thing set in our street. But one thing for sure, we share the same sentiments better than guts to go.
Come in like you nah hear me well in a Tuggy. Come in like bugu in a your ears. Me not depend where you depend, brother. Me not see a word out of my mouth for you run go back to your dad and go talk about Brandon did say. Now bother come go on like you want to use no like a craft for me, no like a mind game for me. Me not depend where you depend. Anyway, cut me I could go back on my ends right now, you know. So now see you in the street. You see it?
Alright, Brandon. Alright, me hear you. But just think about what me say. And give me a link if you agree.
I wonder if the boy Tuggy serious about what him just say a while ago do, lad. Or I set him a try set me up. Because I know say them criminal boy they're full of Minecraft and mind game, you know. Me no know still. Because if him really serious, this could have worked out in my favor. Could have used one stone and take two birds same time. Because Tuggy not so smart and I'm upstairs still, you know. No, me can't outsmart him even though I'm smarter than better than still, but no, me can't run circles round Tuggy. But we see how this is going to play out still, because if him really serious, me know him rather try off of me again. Because he want to get me on him side. He want all the extra strength where he really can get if he want to take out better than and take over the clique. And I know still. But the greater half of me I say I'm sincere. But another part of me I say I good at mind games in my play.
Yo, Tuggy. Oh, me not see you for a morning. No understand you. Today election day, oh, me not see you upon the ends for a morning. Yo, come circle me right now, because we have some more t-shirt for shoot out. And we have to mobilize some vehicle and get some bike for start transport some people. Yo, come link me right now.
Alright, my general, me hear you. True, me just a wake up still. I come link you. Alright? Can I forward?
Yo, me have a couple box of t-shirt over there, so you know, Tuggy. More you get some juvenile and give them the t-shirt. Them for girl and make sure say everybody get a t-shirt as it. Voting time in the idea start, make sure say you go around and mobilize everybody. Anybody where you talk about, yo, me nah vote car politician nah do nothing for it. Just make me know. Make me just strap up myself and come on and come intimidate the hell out of them, because everybody and then granny have to go vote the party. Have to win.
Alright, my general. Now say 40 you know my boss. Make a deal with that right, you know. Make a get the juvenile them mobilize and send them in the street for you show them t-shirt you know.
Hey, Brandon. I see you're all decked out in your full orange.
Yeah, man, my baby man, where you say, man, time come. So definitely, I go out there go exercise my constitutional right in idea, yeah, you know, baby. Yeah, I go vote, because time come. But, well on, I want green shot that you in Rachel. But we are say, man, we never know, say, them way they go.
What do you mean, Brandon? I'm just doing the same thing you're gonna be doing, which is to exercise my constitutional rights.
Okay then, Rachel. So yeah, try for say, man. I caught up on that one the real quick, man. You're slick. But maybe I ask you a question, me do, baby. What make you go vote for the party there? I what go on with that? Let me know. But I want to understand. Because you don't see how the country mash up, you don't see how poor people are suffer. How what go on?
Babe, let's not get into all this politics talk, please. I'm exercising my right, and you're exercising yours. Because after all this is done, it's back to just us again, so let's continue to stay focused on that.
You know, you're right, baby. As always, you're right. We need to just stay focused on me and you and allow the two donkeys, Skibo. You're right.
Anyways, babe, I'm going to vote, so we'll talk later.
Alright, my baby. I say a word, man. Just be safe out there, right? I go vote to myself and probably go assist my mother for the round a polling station. So when time I don't do all of that and get back in the house and second, I give you a call. Alright, baby? Later.
Okay, Brandon. Be safe yourself, and say hi to your mom for me, please.
Turn on that TV, I see where I go on politics business in my idea, yeah, man. Ah, boy, I don't want to go around a PD and next thing I be a crowd and police and be a banger and I go around it. I'm going to watch and see where I go on before I push out.
But you have that line up already?
Morning, sir.
Morning.
Morning, sir.
Okay. All right.
How are you, man?
Yeah, man.
I want to say thank you to everyone who's come out to vote today on election day. I know that in some of the polling stations the lines are long and it's a hot day, but I'm asking you, don't get dispirited, don't get frustrated. Just stay in line until your turn comes and put your X beside the head and vote for the People's National Party. Power to the people who are going to do this. Victory.
Time come no man, time come victorious. Had that to say. By the way, you know I said I forget to call mommy star. I call mommy, you know. Give her a ring and ask her if she needs some help to go around a polling station. Afternoon, mommy, what go on? You good? You know, say I go vote, and now I just want to figure out if I go vote and if I need no help to go around a polling station though.
No, sir. Me Brandon, vote. No, sir. Not at all. Me done this a voting business from before you're born. Friend, you know me. You ever see me go vote yet? Me give up on them two political party a long time, Brandon, cause them no mean people no good. At the end of the day, who win. And you say tomorrow morning, me have to get up and figure out how me go eat and pay my bills. Them is alright. I go in my little room, go pray, and go on my bed. Me too old for them excitement right now. So no, me not gonna know it.
Okay, mommy, me understand, man. But me I come get up and come go around the road go vote because time come.
Alright, my son. Take your time. Nobody get yourself in a problem now upon the road with nobody and them aiga boy there, you know. Make sure say you just be careful. Go and go cast your ballot, do your vote as I say, and come back home. Nobody stay out the road there too long, cause you know how them election business I go. All heap of excitement and all sort of thing. Nobody get caught up out there, my son. Please just go and go vote and come back home, alright? Me love you.
Okay, mommy. Later. Just my luck. First Tuggy, no better than. When I know what kind of crosses this department star, every ton of one of them crosses boy on your book of you know. General star.
Brandon.
Better than.
Yo, what tool? You know some more you forward round for me and come give me a link right now, though.
Yeah, man, my general, man. I'm on my way right now and I say I would.
Yo, what tool we are going with? You know, so we get some rental from the MP them. See the rental them do over there, you know. While you mobilize a team, get some driver, get the rental them out, make sure so them a pick up everybody who need transportation for go vote. That's it. We need to get in all of the vote them for the MP, make sure say everything is everything. Hear that a tool. Deal with it.
Yeah, man, my general, man. I ask man, I gotta mobilize a team right now and get the driver them up and running and get everything started to deal with from early. Cause you don't know, we need to vote them for the MP. Need him back in our seat for make sure we say everything copacetic for we over here, so.
What go on the Bubinal, you good? How that your vibe to Labas? So you know hear about the big clash we are going between him and Malidan. A mad thing in my youth. You know hear the Malidan song them? How you ask man? Are the maddest set of thing them are going right now, youth?
Yeah, me hear the little 1 and 2 little argument them are going, yes. But me now hear la boss I say yo come like a Malidan a give Serpy information. Yeah, a big thing I go on nice song then star.
Then I hear the mad Malidan where I say yo. A law boss a leak information to on the spot. Yeah, man, I be things the man them a go on with me, I tell you, star. I be a mad sitting the man them thing grab up youth.
You know, I'm not even to follow up that boy, them all of them. That boy there one big idiot boy, no man. Right now, my thing they are law boss, you know. A dancehall therapist that. A them man, them I think they straight. When I know about this Maladan youth, I mean, I even know which part him come from, come jumping at this thing, you know. I go like him want come diss all the artists. When I depend that.
So law boss here bringing a clash then out.
Then I must man a one law boss do it thing in a youth I could have never do a must law boss man bringing on this clash.
Yeah, you know, hear the vlog where on the spot news made a drop of there. Coming like law boss and one of them killy them go page your dog, billions. Yeah, man, the man say, yo, him a boss off on the spot head and Maladan head for free fee general. You know, hear it?
No, you know, say me not hear it. Yo, you know, say me never to listen to that boy there on the spot need a star, cause that boy there informer, you know. I be a the killy them face that boy that put up, you know. So me not to rate the blogger boy them and so me not really to preem thing them still, you see it.
I gotta make you hear it, man. Hold on, man. I look for you on my phone, man. I gotta make you hear on the killy I say, yo, would a boss out of made for free. Hold on, there. Hear it.
Call up law boss name back to boy. Me shoot the law boss right now. I wrong one of the play with the ear. You gonna get dismissed soon, man. Watch me. I'm me bust out Mali than it right now. That little boy that. What kind of fear? Them boy never kill a man yet. Them boy never kill a man yet. Who can make law boss go in a fear?
You know, so the man them take it thing serious. Me swear so the thing was just a lyrical confrontation. Cause me and say, yo, them thing are good for dancehall, put back a little vibe. But the man them take it thing serious. Is another gully and Gaza type of thing. This guns out, the man them go straight. But yo, the man send all them little killy figure page all the little idiot blogger boy there on the spot. And the man say, yo, me bust out Maladan head for free. The thing get grimy out. But me could go and see where I go on now. Yo, play 2 more tune.
I wonder where the girl actually there. You know what me need for call a girl there now too. Need you to get some of her like a careless friend them for just go up on the road right you know and go mobilize some of them people have to go vote. Yeah man, need to get a driver for her too so them can go in a car and just go around and you don't know, play the party song and prompt the people them for go vote for the MP cause we need the MP to get that seat here. Yeah man, right you know me I call a girl Ashley.
Hello, Awa, what happened? What go on better than where you calling my phone for so early in the morning? Awa, me no way on a rent. Awa, talk.
Hey girl Ashley, you know some man tired for chat to you about your little dirty mouth. Yo, nobody make me have to come over there come thumping in your forehead in the morning man. Now we are chatting so. Hey girl, know yourself you know. You what me say? Come link me around on the ends right you know. Want you get some of your little girl them and go up on the road for to get some people for vote right you know. So they make me spit a ground and it joy and you know reach right so. You hear that girl?
If me go come in a better than make sure say you have a little piece of money can give me cause me nah go roll up and down in a hot sun just so for no politician and me nah get nothing. Make sure me go link Pinky them still and make sure say them come to. So make sure say you have a little piece of food if I had my little 5 gonna head for me and my girl them. Alright, me soon come. Pinky, me friend. What go on, girl? Guess who just call me? Better than just call me. Say politics money a run. Yeah, girl. Him say them a pay $2,500 head for we go up on the road for go convince people for go vote. Easy money that girl. Make we go out on the road right now. Meet me round pan better than ends and make we go up on the road go get the little piece of food. Come girl, me a wait.
Uncle $2,500 girl. But me hear from good source say a $5,000 politics money I run. So how it reach down to $2,500?
Me no know you know girl, but a $2,500 better than tell me. Me no know if I him want it for share and stretch a little bit more so everybody can get a food, make him just a $2,500 a piece. Me no know, but come girl, Come, I easy money this when I have to do nothing at all forget this. How I get for drive up and down in the politics free car. Yeah, girl, come.
I guess what you say make little sense still. Probably you want it for stretch and make everybody eat a little food. Anyway, alright, may I put on some clothes and come round the right now. May I come out well strong in my colours in the morning, yeah. Time come.
Yo, Ashley, see carried over there saying, driver him there wait for you. So you and your friend can't go in the car there. Driver go drive around the whole place, man. All you have to do is just convince the people them to come out and vote. Alright? When time when they come in back, we just give you the piece of food and just know say that or that. You see? Just do. Make sure say people them come out and vote.
Alright, just make sure so when time me come back, me get my $2,500, you know. Driver, morning, me love how you in your orange shirt do a support Marky G. Time come for real, man. Time come.
Wait, how this? Pinky, or should I say orange? You come out like a big box of juicy full orange juice in idea. Do I first me ever see you without your pink here? How I go on, Pinky? You shuffle up the thing for support Marky G badness.
Yes, my dear, Pink is a full-blown orange today. Definitely I support my party in the morning, yeah. Time come.
Alright, Pinky, I hear you. Sorry, I mean orange. Alright, orange. I hear you.
So I would the one Ashley she there so long. Look how long me sit down in her carrier so I wait on her. Driver, beg me I gonna mash up the road here, man. Make Ashley stay. She can't go in a one of the other campaign vehicle. Driver, make we do road.
Alright then, Mama, me hear you. Make we do the do then.
So driver, the glass door something up on the roof in our work.
How we are talking about Pinky, hey. You know, easy the Pinky. You mean the sunroof? Your man it at work, man, can pull it for you, man. Where you want to stand up to it and go on with yourself?
Then pull it them, no? Of course, and I see your Pinky nice and clean and fully decked out in a orange and idea. Of course, I want to stand up to it and go on with myself and I see how my nice drive, I see how my nice. I have to represent from a party in a driver. Time come, one Marky G. One Marky G. Time come, my people. Time come. Time come.
Lie out a one car roof just so. No, sir. I can't Pinky that. I can't Pinky that.
A Pinky for real in Ashley. A Pinky for real fly out of the roof I care. A wagwan with I my top right or so. See I can go check on her.
Hey, Pinky. No, sir, Pinky. Oh, you had salsa. So because your name orange today, that no means so you did have to drop her off a tree.